Here's a how-to demonstration on how to create a case from Microsoft Teams using Centro and have that create a chat once the case is created. So here in a chat with Tim and myself, he has mentioned that he has a computer issue. I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots and choose Create Case. If it's not available, I can always go to More Actions and display it. This is going to pop a Centro form, and I can add additional information here. And additionally in this, I'm catching some hidden fields in the background, such as who created the case and setting the case origin. Once that case is created, this 1019 case, it adds me to the channel and adds the Centro card to the channel. This allows me as a non-Salesforce user to close the case or edit the case if interested. Now, on the team side, we have the Centro form. So if I go to my Teams app and I go to Home, I have my Centro forms. In my Create Case from Message, I hit Edit. I have my message that was pulled through, and I'm pulling in the user ID of whoever created the case into the supplied company field. This will then allow me to add them to the chat dynamically. On the Salesforce side, I have a Salesforce Flow that fires when a case is created. This obviously can be configured to run as needed. I'm running it asynchronously because I'm calling out to Microsoft Teams. In the variables assignment flow element, I have an add members collection text variable. In that text variable, I'm adding two items. I'm adding the owner of the case's member ID from Teams, and I'm also adding the field that we passed in that user ID merge tag in on the form. So that way, whoever created the case is added to the channel. I also am configuring the name of the chat, and that's going to be dynamic based on the case number and then suffixed with chat case. I have one other variable that I have created, and that is the channel GUID. So this is just a text variable that I'm going to use down the road. In the Centro Flow element, create conversations and invite users. In the channel name, I have set my formula of chat name. And then in my invite collection variables, I have added my var members. And down below, I have put in my channel GUID as my channel ID output. This allows me to post to that variable the case record block that we saw earlier. Here. That is how you create a case from Microsoft Teams, and when that case is created, create a new chat to discuss the case in. Please reach out with any questions.